Hi students, hope you are all fine. Let capital A is equal to minus 1, 1 and capital B is equal to 0, 2. If the function f from a to b defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b is an onto function, find a and b. First write the given sets. Capital A is equal to minus 1, 1. Capital B is equal to 0, 2. See, you have a function f from capital A to B. Also, you have a function f of x is equal to ax plus b. This function is an onto function. Using this, you must find the value of a and b. What is the meaning for onto function? Every element in the set A have different images in B, and also the codomain is equal to range. That is the onto function. Now here you can draw the diagram. Set A and B. The function is small f. Write the elements of A minus 1, 1. Capital B is 0, 2. Therefore, this is the relation for minus 1, 0 and 1, 2. Using this, you can find the value of A and B. Here you have a formula. F of x is equal to ax plus b. F of minus 1 is equal to 0. From this you can write f of minus 1 is equal to 0. F of 1 is equal to 2. What is f of x? Ax plus b. Therefore, a into x is here minus 1 plus b is equal to 0. A into minus 1 is minus 1a, otherwise minus a plus b is equal to 0. Take it as equation 1. Now, using f of 1 is equal to 2, in the place of x, you substitute 1. That is a into 1 plus b is equal to 2. A into 1 means 1a plus b is equal to 2. Take it as equation 2. Using this two equation, you must find the value of a and b. Write minus a plus b is equal to 0. A plus b is equal to 2. See, here you have two equations with the two variables. First, see the coefficient of a. Here minus 1, here 1. Here coefficient of b is here also 1, here also 1. Therefore, both the coefficients are equal. Now check the sign. Here minus, here plus. If you add minus a and plus a, you will get 0. Then you can find the value of b easily. Okay, first eliminate the a. Using the equation 1 and 2, if you add 1 and 2, you will get minus 1a plus 1a. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 1a plus 1a is equal to 0. Therefore, leave that. Now, 1b plus 1b, that is 2b. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 into b is equal to 2. Therefore, b is equal to 2 divided by 2. The value of b is 1. Using this, you can find the value of a from equation 1 or 2. Take the equation 2. A plus b is equal to 2. In the place of b, you substitute 1. A plus 1 is equal to 2. a is equal to 2 minus 1. A is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, the value of a is 1. Last line. Therefore, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. Ninth question. If the function small f is defined by f of x is equal to x plus 2 if x greater than 1. 2 if minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. X minus 1 if minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. Find the value of, you have 4 questions. See here, first write the function given f of x is equal to x plus 2 is equal to x greater than 1. 2 if minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. X minus 1 if minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. Now find the value of x here. In your question you have to find f of 3, 0, minus 1.5, f of 2, f of minus 2. Therefore, you must find the value from minus 1.5 to 3. In the negative, you have the value 1.5. In the positive, you have up to 3. See here, what is the meaning for x greater than 1? Take the pencil and write all the values here near the x greater than 1. After 1, 2, 3, etc. Greater than 1 means after 1, that is 2, 3, etc. Now, what are the values of x for this? Minus 1 less than or equal to 1. Minus 1 to 1. Minus 1, 0, 1. Here, minus 3 less than, therefore minus 3 not included, that is minus 2 less than minus 1, therefore only minus 2. The value of x is only minus 2. Once again, x greater than 1 means 2, 3, etc. Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 means minus 1 to 1. Minus 1, 0, 1. Minus 3 less than x less than minus 1 means only minus 2. Now find the value of f of 3. See here, the value of x is 3. Check here, where you have 3 in the first line. Therefore, take the formula x plus 2. Once again, f of 3 means the value of x is 3. See the right side. Already we finished here. That is 3 is here. Therefore, you must choose the formula x plus 2. When x is equal to 3, f of x is equal to x plus 2. When x is equal to 3, f of x is equal to x plus 2. Now substitute f of 3 is equal to, in the place of x, 3 plus 2, that is 5. Therefore, f of 3 is equal to 5. Now find the second one, that is f of 0. Same procedure, the value of x is 0. Check here. Here you have 0. Therefore, you must take the equation 2. f of x is equal to 2. Therefore, second part, f of 0 is equal to 2. When x is equal to 0, the value of f of 0 is equal to 2. Now, third part, that is f of minus 1.5. See, minus 1.5 lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Here up to minus 1. 1 to minus 1. Therefore, minus 1.5 is present in the third line. Once again, minus 1.5 lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Here, minus 1 less than or equal to, therefore, up to minus 1. Therefore, after minus 1, that is minus 1.1, minus 1.2 are present in the third line. Therefore, the formula for minus 1.5 is x minus 1. When x is equal to minus 1.5, f of x is equal to x minus 1. In the place of x, you must substitute minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 minus 1. Both the term are in negative sign. Therefore, write the negative sign and add 1.5 and 1. Therefore, 2.5. If you have a doubt, you can do in the right side 1.5 and 1. That is therefore, f of minus 1.5 is equal to minus 2.5. Now, fourth part, f of 2 and f of minus 2. When x is equal to 2, see the 2 that is in the first line. Therefore, f of x is equal to x plus 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. F of 2 is equal to 4. Now find f of minus 2. F of minus 2, that is when x is equal to minus 2, that minus 2 is in the third line, therefore f of x is equal to x minus 1. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 is in the third line, therefore f of x is equal to x minus 1. In the place of x, minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. Now find f of 2 plus f of minus 2. The value of f of 2 is 4. F of minus 2 is minus 3. If you have a sign continuously, change it into 1. That is plus into minus minus. 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Therefore, f of 2 plus f of minus 2 is equal to 1. Answer, that is first part, f of 3 is equal to 5. Second part, f of 0 is equal to 2. F of minus 1.5 is equal to minus 2.5. F of 2 plus f of minus 2 is equal to 1. See the 10th question. A function f from minus 5 to 9 to r is defined as follows. F of x is equal to 6x plus 1 if minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2, 5x square minus 1 if 2 less than or equal to x less than 6, 3x minus 4 if 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. Find f of minus 3 plus f of 2, f of 7 minus f of 1, 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8, 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6, f of 4 plus f of minus 2. First write the function given f from closed interval minus 5 to 9 to capital R. F of x is equal to 6 plus 1 if minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2, if 5 x square minus 1 if 2 less than or equal to x less than 6, 3x minus 4 if 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. First see closed interval minus 5 to 9 means the values from minus 5 to 9. Closed interval means minus 5 to 9. Last sum, we find the values of x. Same procedure. Here also find the value of x. Using the pencil, write here the value of x. Minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2. Therefore, the value starts from minus 5. Minus 5 less than 2. Therefore, up to 1. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Next line. 2 less than or equal to x less than 6. From 2, that is 2, 3, 4 less than 6, therefore up to 5. The value of x for this line is 2 to 5. Next, 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9, therefore 6 to 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Now find the first part. F of minus 3 plus f of 2. First find f of minus 3. When x is equal to minus 3, see the value of x is equal to minus 3 in the first line. Therefore, f of x is equal to 6x plus 1. Once again, see the right hand side. Already we wrote with the pencil. Minus 3 is in the first line. Therefore, take the first line formula. That is f of x is equal to 6x plus 1. F of minus 3 is equal to 6 into minus 3 plus 1. 6 3s are 18. Here you have minus, therefore minus 18 plus 1. That is different sign here, therefore biggest number sign, and subtract 18 minus 1, 17. Now find the value of f of 2. When x is equal to 2. The value of x is equal to 2 in the second line. Therefore, f of x is 5x square minus 1. F of 2 is equal to 5 into x square, 5 into 2 square minus 1. 2 square is 4, 5 into 4 minus 1. 5 fours are 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. Now find f of minus 3 plus f of 2 is equal to minus 17 plus 19. Different sign, write the biggest number sign and subtract. 19 minus 17 is 2. This is the first part. Now find the second one, that is f of 7 minus f of 1. First find f of 7. When x is equal to 7, check the formula. 7 is in the third line, therefore take the third line formula, that is f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. When x is equal to 7, f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. F of 7 is equal to 3 into x. Therefore, 3 into 7 minus 4. 3 sevens are 21 minus 4. 21 minus 4 is 17. Now find the value of f of 1. F of 1 means x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, 1 is in the first line, therefore first line is f of x is equal to 6x plus 1. In the place of x, 1, f of 1 is equal to 6 into 1 plus 1. 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Now find f of 7 minus f of 1 is equal to 17 minus 7, that is equal to 10. This is second part. Now find the third. Two into f of 4 plus f of 8. F of 4, when x is equal to 4, see where is 4? Yes, correct, second line. Therefore f of x is equal to 5x square minus 1. F of 4 is equal to 5 into 4 square minus 1. 5 into 4 square is 16. No. 16 into 5 is 80 minus 1. 79. Now find f of 8. That is when x is equal to 8. F of x is equal to 8 is in the last line. Therefore f of x is 3x minus 4. In the place of x, substitute 8. 3 into 8 minus 4. 8 3s are 24. 24 minus 4 is 20. Now 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8 is equal to 2 into f of 4 is 79 plus f of 8 is 20. First multiply. Always you must multiply first, then only you must add. 79 into 2, that is 158. 9 2s are 18. 14 plus 1, 158. 158 plus 20. 178. If you have a doubt, you can add in the right sign. Without mistake, you have to do. Now do the fourth part. 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. First find f of minus 2. When x is equal to minus 2, f of x is equal to 6x plus 1 because minus 2 is in the first line. 6 into minus 2 plus 1. 6 into minus 2 minus 12 plus 1. Different sign. Put the biggest number sign and subtract. 12 minus 1, that is 11. Now find the f of 6. F of 6 means x is equal to 6. Where is x is equal to 6? That is in the last line. Therefore, f of x is equal to 3x minus 4. F of 6 is equal to 3 into 6 minus 4. Multiply first. Always you must multiply. Then subtract. Now, f of 4. F of minus 2 already you finished in this part itself. Therefore, only f of 4. When x is equal to 4, where is 4? Second line. Therefore, f of x is equal to 5x square minus 1. F of 4 is equal to 5 into 4 square minus 1. 5 into 4 square is 16 minus 1. First find the square, then multiply, then subtract. 16 into 5. 80. 80 minus 1, 79. F of 4 is also already finished. You can write the answer. F of 4 is equal to 79 directly. Now find the fourth part, that is 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus minus 2. Into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2 is equal to 2 into the value of f of minus 2 is minus 11. Therefore, 2 into minus 11 minus f of 6 is 14 divided by f of 4 is 79 plus f of minus 2 is minus 11. Here 2 into minus 11 minus 22 minus 14 divided by, here you have a continuous sign, therefore change it into 1, that is plus into minus, minus 11. Now see the numerator, here you have the same sign, therefore write the sign and add 22 plus 40. 22 plus 14 is equal to 36 divided by 79 minus 11. Subtract 68. Now minus 36 divided by 68. Do you have a common factor? Yes. You can give for fourth table. 9 fours are 36. 1 4 is 4. Remainder 2, that is 28. 7 fours are 28. Therefore, your answer is minus 9 by 17. Write all the answers. First part.